Hello friends, what's up? How are you all doing? Once again, welcome back to the channel Moto Travel, and I am back again here with another video. And in this video we are gonna see about how people have done wonders on Rx100 and 135. These machines have taken to people across India, across various terrains and passes and mountain roads. And I have someone for you who is very special and who is a die-hard fan of Rx series motorcycle. He himself is having an Rx135 and he has done various places on his Rx. Actually, he has done all of his rides only on his Rx135. So he is Mr. Victor from Kerala, and he will be coming up on the channel and he will explain his journey, how he did it across Ladakh, Bhutan, Nepal, all the way from Kerala on his motorcycle Rx135. Meanwhile, you enjoy the message and the footage is given by Mr. Victor. See you in the end.
Hi, my name is Don Victor from Kerala. It's good to be a part of this channel. As Abhi has already said, two-stroke can create wonders, can take this bike to anywhere. What he said is absolutely true. And I bring up to you my experience of riding Rx. Here is my story. I have done several rides inside Kerala, but on 2017, Leh Ladakh trip was my first big long ride covering around 3,162 kilometers in 10 to 11 days. Went to Taj Mahal as well. It was an amazing experience riding this legendary bike on the high altitude passes in the Himalayas. After this trip, obvious question was what's next. The Leh Ladakh trip gave me enough courage and confidence that I could take this bike for a cross-country ride. On June 3rd, myself and my friend on Pulsar 150 started the journey, crossing states Tamil Nadu, Andhra, Orissa, Kolkata and straight into Bhutan. The plan was to reach Siliguri border as soon as possible, and we did it in 8 days. I would like to share some of my pictures that are very close to my heart, which will give you a little story of what I have done. In Phancholing, we did the documentation process and we rode into the capital city of Bhutan, Thimphu. In Bhutan, we stayed for 2 nights. Visited Chalala Pass, the highest waterfall road in Bhutan. It's 13,000 feet above sea level. From Thimphu, we rode back to Siliguri, and from Siliguri, we rode to Kathmandu, the capital of Nepal. In Kathmandu, we stayed for 2 days and visited Pashupatinath temple. In Nepal, my friend's Pulsar was facing little problem in engine side, tapak problem. I told him to put his luggage on my bike to reduce the stress for his bike. After mounting his luggage and my luggage on my bike, I could say there was no power loss. And from Kathmandu, we rode to Gorakhpur, Jabalpur, Nagpur, Anantapur, Bangalore and Kochi. The journey was around 9,000 kilometers, covering 11 states and 2 international borders, and we did it in 36 days. The journey really was to create awareness among RX and two-stroke riders. They keep complaining that they don't have fancy bikes to do such long journey. This is what I would like to convey to all the two-stroke rider who fear or have a second thought for taking RX on long rides. If you want to do it, just do it. Trust these motorcycles and enjoy your ride.